In today's lecture, we discuss what is bidirectional and what is unidirectional elements. When the properties, or you can say characteristics, are independent of the direction of current, then we can say that the elements are bidirectional. And when the properties are depend on the direction in which the current flow takes place, then the elements are said to be unidirectional. जब एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टीज करंट की डायरेक्शन पर डिपेंड करने लग जाएं, तो हम बोलेंगे कि एलिमेंट यूनिडायरेक्शनल है। जब एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टीज करंट की डायरेक्शन पर डिपेंड नहीं करती, तो हम बोलेंगे कि जो हमारा एलिमेंट है वो बाई डायरेक्शनल। सी इन केस ऑफ रेसिस्टर, वी हैव अ रेसिस्टर। जब करंट इस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करेगा या करंट इस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करेगा, ओके, दोनों केसेस में रेसिस्टर क्या करेगा? करंट के फ्लो को ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करेगा। मतलब रेसिस्टर की प्रॉपर्टी है कि वो करंट की फ्लो को रोके, तो करंट किसी भी डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करे, जो रेसिस्टर है वो हमेशा इसके फ्लो को रोकेगा। मतलब उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है कि करंट किस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो कर रहा है। इसका मतलब एलिमेंट हो गया बाई डायरेक्शनल। सी यूनिडायरेक्शनल। इन डायोड वी हैव P and N terminals. Okay. It is said to be reverse or forward biasing according to the connection of the P and N junction to the positive or negative terminal of the battery. Okay. That means it depends on the direction of current. Okay. From the positive terminal current flow. Okay. I think you got it. Now here you have three graphs. By seeing the graph, you need to tell me whether the element is bidirectional or unidirectional. Okay. Let me help you. See. In the previous lecture, we see this trick for active and passive element. Now see. Remember two lines. Always remember for solving bidirectional and unidirectional. When the characteristics, that is VI, characteristics curve are similar, then we can say the element is bidirectional, and when dissimilar, then the element is unidirectional. Okay, see. Similar कब थी? जब फर्स्ट थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में था या सेकंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में था। दो पेयर थे सिमिलरिटी के लिए। फर्स्ट थर्ड में था तो भी, तो दोनों में पैसिव थे, ठीक है। जब सेकंड और फोर्थ में था तो पैसिव थे, तो एक्टिव थे। ओके, मतलब इन दो पेयर्स में हैं तो एलिमेंट्स हैं जो उनकी कर्व सिमिलर है, एक जैसी हैं, तो बाई डायरेक्शनल, अदरवाइज यूनिडायरेक्शनल। सी जस्ट सी द ग्राफ। ओके, if our graph is present in first third or second fourth, okay, see here, the graph is present in first and third, that is first and three, case 1. Then see it is similar or not. First check the quadrant, then check it is similar or not. Here the graph is linear, but here saturation takes place. Thus it is not similar in both quadrants. Thus we can say it is unidirectional. See second graph. The graph is present in second and fourth quadrant. That means it is bidirectional. Okay. But before assuring the answer that graph is bidirectional, let's check whether it is similar or not. In second quadrant, the graph is linear. Also in fourth quadrant, the graph is linear. That is, it is similar and it satisfies one case from these two. That means it is bidirectional. Okay. See here. The graph is present in first and second quadrant. None of these, first and third, we have first and third and second and fourth. But our graph is present in first and checking. Thus, from the mentioned case, there is no case is present. Thus, we can say that our element is unidirectional. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding to unidirectional or bidirectional element, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.